Hi guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So it's a weekend and it's always fun. You know, the Obi Cubana family, let me say the Igbo family, they have this wonderful way of greasing the weekend and making it look so beautiful and magnificent. You know, this weekend they had the likes of Okonwo, the CEO of Victoria Bay, and Otunba one in his Villa Cubana in Abuja, where he hosts them, celebrated them, and you could see from the exactly where he was spanking the wife ass. Oh, this love sweet, I beg. The love is too sweet. So guys, bringing you the entire highlight of this billionaire had a feast and had a wonderful time over the weekend, and I hope your own weekend too was good. Try as much as possible to celebrate it in your little way. Like this life, just try to deliver. Don't allow your problem take you over. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, turn on post notification. This channel is all about entertainment. Get entertained and don't forget to subscribe.
Number can not, you know, I'll match on number. I'll match on number. Hey, baby.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
Gallery.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Obis gallery.
Eat what you can eat here. You soon travel.
Let them be. Why are you laughing? Kevin. Kevin, we'll come later. What do you have to say?
Eat now, no? Because when you go back London, no, it's not. Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Enjoy the speech. I'm enjoying the speech. Eat what you can eat here. You soon travel.
Let them be. Why are you laughing? Kevin. Kevin, we'll come later. What do you have to say?
Eat now, no? Because when you go back London, no, it's not. Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Enjoy the speech. I'm enjoying the speech.
We don't finally get them on.
Obi.
Obi, okay.
We outside.
You are too much. Look at them. Your man even there. The thing I want man when they drop one of your person. Now you tomorrow. Big day now. Big dance of you. The dance of you now.
Wow.
Big don't they grill meat for us. Take a life. So today I'm watching living in one day, man. We'll join you guys soon. We'll join you guys. We're not nothing people. We're watching movies. I was live, but sorry, man. I was sure. God bless you. We're not snapping.
I'm taking over from you.
We are just.
Let me go. Where is he living?
Say who is
Your Excellency.
Hey, Madam.
Your Excellency.
My own first lady.
Your Excellency.
My own first lady. Who there? Your Excellency. We're out. We're outside. Inside, outside. Outside. I'm very fine, sir. How are you, sir? I feel like I didn't come alone. Yeah, who are you? Some my people. Yes.
Your Excellency.
CEO is here. Ife, rap phone. You know, people don't believe that I don't eat so much. Many times when I say they don't want to believe. But lately they are beginning to believe.
About it.
Ms. Otunba, since you arrived, people have come to know that I only eat. Yes.
Let me get.
Are you sure you're okay? Yes, sir. I'm on good. Can you perceive it?
Life is beautiful when you enjoy it with good friends, business associates, and people who share the same dream, idea, and inspiration or aspiration with yourself. And that's what Obi Cubana is always doing. Yes, you could see that every weekend, whenever he invites people to his house, it's always filled up. Many people feel maybe it's because of the kind of business he's into, that's why he's close to people. But no, there are still thousands of people out there who do the same business that he does, but don't have those close friends, don't have those people who come around to always party, show love together. It's just his way of showing out, giving out back to the society. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment. See you guys on my next video. Follow me on LionMark TV. Visit our blog at lionmarktv.com.